Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today for this video I'm going to be showing you guys my contour routine. So basically I'm just going to show y'all what I do when I contour and how I contour. Yeah, if you just want to know how to contour, just like simple basic steps, then you can follow along with this routine. I'm going to be showing you guys some new products that I got, and so it's going to be like a drugstore contour routine because most of these products are drugstore stuff, like especially my foundation, because I got a new foundation, by the way. Yay. So yeah, just affordable, like an affordable makeup routine. I hope you enjoy, and if you want to see how I got this look, continue watching, and if you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Set it with a powder, so you can use translucent powder, or you can use an actual eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using this one right here, and just use any skin tone powder to set your base with. It doesn't really matter. So I'm just going to rub this all over my eye. Next we're going to be going in to the Morphe 35P palette. So like, it's very important to use a transition color because this is going to help to give you that light to dark kind of pattern, and it will just help to just make your eyeshadow just look neater and better, I guess. And plus, you never want to start off with a harsh color, like a deep color like black or something, because then it's going to be harder to blend out. We're gonna be cutting the crease, and so I'm just gonna take a bit of this and put it onto my brush, and then I'm gonna put it on my eyelid, look up, and then it's gonna form. Hopefully this is not too high. My cut creases are never the same. They're never the same like size or height for some reason. I don't know, I just struggle with that, to be honest. Like, I'm no professional, guys. So we're gonna go, crap, I need more concealer. for contour, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I'm going to be using this color. It's in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and this is going to be for contouring. So I'm going to be just applying it here. My Wet n Wild concealer and my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee, and this is in the color Medium Beige. So we're gonna use this to highlight. So I'm going to be using the Bella Pierre Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to dip into this, and I'm going to be using the darkest shade in the palette. And this is just for powder contour. So we're going to go in and we're going to buff this out. This brush is thick. I need something lighter. another NYX product, and this is NYX Butter Gloss, and this is in the color, I really don't know. Oh, this is in the color Blueberry Tart. So interesting. I seriously hate doing voice. Like, I hate the way I sound on them. I just woke up, so this is like my morning voice. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I haven't posted in like forever because I've been super busy like dealing with school and work and all that stuff. But I'm gonna definitely try to post as much as I can. But I hope you enjoy this contour routine. It's very in-depth from what I'm used to because I'm usually just trying to like speed up my videos and just get it over with, but I felt like for this video I definitely tried to be more in depth with it since it was a different kind of makeup tutorial. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.